Hey guys, so today I have got a box that I've had once before, but that one was like a Christmas present kind of thing, and this time I bought the monthly box and got it myself, and that is Occult box. So this month it's really thin, they said, because of the whole like thing that's happening at the minute. They wanted to be able to just post it through letterboxes and not be like a big parcel, which I guess kind of makes sense. But I was a little tiny bit disappointed in how small this box was. I think it was either 24 or 25 pounds. I'll put the info for them down below anyway so you can see like the prices and everything. But I just bought the one-off box. I didn't subscribe because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to subscribe or not. Personally, I think for now, until all of this is over, I'm not going to. When it's all over and everything, like all the post and everything is back to normal, then I might do, because they seem like a really cute company and their past boxes look great. But from what I've seen in this one, I have watched someone else's unboxing, it wasn't my favourite, but it's pretty cute, so I'm going to show you what was in it anyway. So it's quite a big, like long kind of box, and I haven't actually opened mine yet. Like I said, I have watched someone else's unboxing video, but mine is still all sealed up. So it's got really cute like glittery tissue paper, and then some little moons cut out. Now there's two cards on here. One is a win a mystery box little like leaflet thing, and one is the theme of the box. So this box was the May Dark Moon box, so there is that. And then I'm going to open it and show you what is in it. So the first thing right on top that I'm seeing is these Moonlight wax melts. So it says handmade, soy, vegan and fragrant, glimmers as magical as moonlight dancing on water. So it's a little pack of these 5 mini wax melts, which is really cute. These kind of look like chocolate to me. I don't know if that's just me being like fat, but they look like little truffles or something. They are very cute though. Let's see what they smell like. Oh, okay. They smell... what is that? I couldn't really say what that smell is, but it is really nice though. It's kind of a soapy smell, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a nice smell though, whatever they are. Next we have a little moon bath ritual like salts kind of stuff, which is a shimmery blue colour. And then on the back it says blue moon or blood moon. When the moon is full, pour salts into a bath of warm to unveil your glistening moon bath colour and harness the power of the moon. Oh, okay, so maybe there was different ones then. Maybe this is the blue moon and maybe there was a red version as well, possibly. It says relax and soak up the lunar energy, contains Himalayan rock salt and Epsom salts to soothe sore muscles and draw out toxins. If you don't have a bath, use these salts as an exfoliating body scrub. Add a drop of body lotion to the salts. Environmentally friendly and not tested on animals. So that is our second little thing that we have. Then next we have this teeny tiny little package. Everything is packaged really cute, that's for sure. So let's undo this and see what is in here. I actually forgot what's in this box. Like I said, I watched someone else unbox it, but I don't remember what was in it. Oh, okay. So these are little tiny chips of moonstone. So it says moonstone is a crystal for new beginnings of inner growth and strength. This stone will calm emotional instability, soothe stress and relax anxiety, providing inner calmness. Moonstone enhances awareness and intuition, and this stone is good for love and fortune. So that's really cute, but these are absolutely tiny. Like this is one. I think the smallest little gemstone chip I've ever seen, and this is the other one. So they are our teeny tiny little moonstones. Then next we have this, which says handmade by Occult box on it, and this is a little wooden bookmark. So it has the moon phases in white, and then it has this multicolored little string with a little crescent moon on the end. So that's pretty cute. I do have quite a few bookmarks already, so it's not necessarily something that I need, but it's a cute little item though. Then next we have a little envelope which says Dark Moon featured artist mystery cuts. So I'm assuming this is like another brand's item kind of thing. And this is, oh, this is a little print. So we have a sticker, like a vinyl sticker. And then we have this print. It's called Never. Oh, it says there's a pin as well. Is there a pin in here? Oh, there is a pin in here. I totally missed that. Okay. There's a little, like, well, I'm not sure I'd call it a pin. It's more a badge, really. It has one of these little backs like this on it. But yeah. So those things. Then we have this, which is a big piece of fabric, kind of like an altar cloth, I guess you would use it for. Well, you could use it for anything really. You could use it as like a bandana around your head if you wanted to, but I think it's supposed to be an altar cloth. And again, it has the moon phases around it. So that is that. Then there's a little stripy one in here from Alley Cat's Craft. Now I have seen these on Instagram before. They make cute little like resin things and stuff. So what is in here? Yeah, I thought it would be something resin. So there's a little card for them, and then we got this necklace, which is a bit tangled. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. So it is a purple shimmery little crescent moon on this kind of like choker sort of thing. So there is that. Then we have two things left. So we have this, which even if I hadn't have watched a video already, I would assume was a candle because it's tapered like a candle. And this is a black candle with the moon phases kind of printed on it or painted on it. I'm not really sure, but there is that. And then the last thing is in a little box, and this is, I actually forgot what this is, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, a little bangle. Yeah, this is cute. So it's like a little silver bangle. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. It has little black moon phases on the front anyway. I'm not sure if that's necessarily showing up very well on camera, but little bangle with the moon phases on it. It also has really cute little love hearts cut out of the ends over here. I have big wrists, so I'm not sure this is going to fit. Oh, it actually did. Okay. It's quite like a gunmetal sort of colour if you look at it compared to this silver bracelet I'm wearing. It is quite dark. But yeah, that is that little bangle. Anyway, so yeah, that was everything in the May Occult box, the Dark Moon box. So I'll quickly go over everything again so we can see it all together. There was the little like fabric altar cloth kind of thing. There was the print with the little sticker and pin badge. There was the wood bookmark. There was the moon necklace. There was the bath salts, the little wax melts, the candle, the 2 little moonstone chips, and this bangle that I'm wearing. So all of these things for, like I said, I'm pretty sure it was £25, but I'll put the information down below anyway. Looking back on it, it is okay actually. When I saw the people unbox it, it didn't really look that amazing, but now I'm looking back on it, it is quite cute actually. This candle's quite nice. I'm definitely going to put that up there in my little candle holder. This bangle's pretty cute actually, and it fits quite well. The necklace, again, is something I probably will wear. I think I would have preferred if it was maybe a black moon or a clear one or a white one or something, but if I had to choose a colour, purple is one of my favourites, so that is fine. And yeah, it is actually quite a cute box, so maybe I will get it next month. You'll have to let me know what you think. Let me know if I should try it again next month. I can't remember what the theme is for next month's box, but if you think I should get it, then let me know, and if a lot of you say yes, then I will get it and show you what is in it. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.